welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. We are going to talk about a wig that has been out for a number of years at least, but sometimes we do like to see if wigs are still very much relevant. And so today, if you are interested, stick around. We're going to be reviewing the Buttercup by Bobbi Boss. And I have the copper burgundy color that I'm going to be reviewing, and I think it'll be a treat. It's a curly wig. I hadn't done one in a while, so let's stick around for more information. In the comments section, I want you to tell me which wigs you prefer. Like, do you like curly wigs, longer length wigs, shorter length wigs? Let me know, because I'm trying to get a feel of what my viewers are wanting me to do, so that would help out a lot. Also, if you're liking the content, to show me that you support the channel, why not drop a line for me, or better yet, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and take this beauty out of her pack here, and we'll see what she looks like on. I can't wait. Stay tuned. This is Buttercup out of the pack here. This is the color. Let's look at the construction on the inside of the cap here. Once I flip her inside out, I can tell that she does come with an adjustable band. She does have that comb in the back here, and she does come with two combs on the right and left sides of the wig. Let's start putting her on to see what she looks like, and we'll be back shortly. So I am back wearing the Buttercup, and it's actually M707 Buttercup. I'm gonna come up close so that you can see the copper burgundy color. Ooh, this is a beautiful color. What I placed this wig on, I just kind of fluffed up the curls a little bit. I don't want to disturb them too much, because y'all, I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. And I said this on my last video, if I could get my hair to do this, I would, oh my God, I would be something to reckon with. But this one is beautiful. I could see this, you know, wearing it to work, even on vacation. Yes, we could wear her in those settings. Let me do a turn from side to side. I hope that because I didn't pick it out, I don't know if the curls look flat when I turn to the back. So if they are, please forgive me. But if you purchase the wig, you can fluff it up the way that you like. Let's go ahead and make our turns from side to side. Ooh, she is another wig that's on fire. I love it. And maybe it's the color that I like so much. But that's the review for the Buttercup M707 Buttercup wig. Like I said, this has been out for a while, but I wanted to review it. Just wanted to review it. Thanks again for joining me, everybody. And we'll be back next week with another wig review. Take care.